What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel again. Glad you are tuning in. So as you can see in the video, we are going to another car meet. It is the Northeast Detail Garage car show today, and hopefully it's a good turnout. So we got the whip right here all cleaned up, ready to go. We're gonna go meet some boys at the gas station before the C7 squad, and then we will roll out to the little meet. It's right next to it. So but anyway, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. And I'm not going to take any more time. Let's go ahead and get in and head that way. All right, let's get in the whip. Whoa. Start her up. Okay, change of plan, guys. So my two buddies with the C7s, one of them's getting his car lowered on the stock bolts. So they're running a little late. So me and my buddy right here, we're going to go ahead and head to the car show area so we can go ahead and cone off some spots for everybody. But let's go ahead and go for the parking spot to leave. Okay, guys, so we've coned off some spots for me and the boys, and hopefully another couple of vets, as you can see right here, right there. And they'll be coming shortly, but I'm just going to go ahead and quickly wipe off the car just from any excess dust that's come since I traveled a little bit, and then we'll start seeing the cars come in. So hopefully it's a good turnout. Oh, sorry about the lighting, guys. It is getting later in the day, so hopefully the picture comes out okay, and it's going to get pretty dark here in just a little bit. But look at this bullet, very clean. Very, very nice. It's even got the plaque on there. And the Mustangs will begin showing up, and I'll get some more. Everyone's just kind of showing in. And I'm waiting for my squad to come. There's me. My other boy right there. Alright, guys, there's a nice Shelby GT500. It's got that lime yellow greenish color. Huge Wayne gang carbon fiber wheels. So this is probably the highest model you can get, or the trim. But dude, Shelby's insane. Love them. Nice BMW right next to it, sporting the big Wayne gang. And then kind of to the side there's another one right there. Looks pretty clean too. And that chop, chop, chop on that C6 Grand Sport. Goals. Good Lord, I want mine to sound like that one day. Oh, and the boys are here. Savage Z51 and its boosted LT4 Z51. And then C7 Keen right here. Got another C6 Grand Sport coming in. Black. Looks nice. I like the chrome. I usually don't like chrome, but
yeah, same here. I got away.
It's working on this Grand Sport here. We got some puppies. Got a ZL1 over here, look nice. I think it's a 5.0 right next to it. Some of that boosted supercharger action. I like the color, the red. Vet game strong tonight, people. The squads. That's 2000 action. I like that red color right there. Pretty nice. Mach 1.
Y'all want to walk up there or what?
We're at a Ford dealership, guys. Oh, the S550 Mustang.
I think so.
GT250. Got the older Chevrolet trucks. You got trucks all along this backside. Humongous. It's Christmas again. Little Roush. Oh, guys, it's Solo driven in his black Terminator Cobra. Solo! Rogue Vet! Rogue Vet here, man.
I see you, bro.
Terminator, bro. Looking good. Reminds me of my 03.
Little something, little.
Yeah. Got a Fox body there. Little Mitsubishi, and then Charger behind. Oh, boys, here it is. There's the, oh, it's a VMP. Okay, it's a VMP. It's a VMP, guys. Sorry, I thought it was Whipple. I forgot. Dang, look at that. It's nice. Freaking nice. Woo, guys, look at that. Back of that the 0304 Terminator Cobra, Solo driven. Looks nice, man. Miss mine. All right, guys, so that's pretty much the video. Decent sized turnout, I guess you could say. There was a bunch of everything. But anyway, that's the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Just a quick one. Anyway, guys, until the next one, this is the Rogue Vet, and I will see y'all on the next one. Peace.